name is Karen Mitchell, and this is my presentation on the migrant worker crisis in South Korea. So, in South Korea, they have this system called the Employment Permit System, which was put into place in 2003. It allows people to migrate to South Korea for work while fighting off illegal immigration. So, people are only allowed to go to work there if they're called through an employer. So, if a company like Hyundai, which is big in South Korea, needed workers, people were allowed into the country by that employer. So they've been criticized for leaving workers vulnerable to abusive practices and even slave-like exploitation by the employers, which was happening was people were going out and doing lots of work, and their employers were just not paying them, or paying them a half of what they were supposed to, and really not giving them any choice of reasoning or anything. And the center of the problem lies in the legislation, EPS, as it effectively bans workers from changing workplaces. So if people want to leave their job, their employer can just literally say no, and they would be stuck there. They don't have a choice. So the human rights violations that are occurring during all this would be the people that have reported not getting paid the minimum wage due to their employers manipulating them. So like I said earlier, they were not getting paid what they're supposed to, or getting paid half of what they're supposed to. From January to May 2009, more than 11,000 irregular migrant workers were arrested and detained, and more than 11,000 others were deported. So it's pretty much like at the employer's disposal, like they can choose and get rid of whoever they want to get rid of. And there's a really big discrimination against Chinese migrants because of the previous war that they've had together, which I guess they just don't like each other. And these are my citations.